You'll be surprised to learn that using this unorthodox method to earn money will no longer be a secret since I'll be sharing it with you. I'll walk you through these 3 amazing platforms that let you make money using various payment methods, including PayPal, cryptocurrencies, Skrill, Payoneer, gift cards, and more. The incredible part is that you can use all 3 of these websites simultaneously every single day to triple your income and earn up to $300 and more. I'm very eager for you to take advantage of this chance, learn more about it, and see how these websites can transform your lives. Make sure to watch all the way through the end to ensure you don't miss anything important. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to get $1,152 by just opening websites. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So the first thing you should do is I want you to download the UpVoice Chrome extension for free. Since it basically functions as a Chrome extension, you can just download it for free on both your computer and mobile device's Google Chrome browser. So just simply click the Continue with Facebook button to proceed. You will register for a free global account after clicking that. So you must complete a very straightforward qualification form. Your name and email address will be entered. So once you have been approved, you will then be invited to download the free UpVoice Chrome extension. So this is actually safe and would not impact your browser performance or slow down your browser. So this can be downloaded to a computer or a mobile device like your phone. Once the app is installed, you can use it to regularly visit their partner websites and accumulate daily tokens that can be then redeemed for a variety of gift cards like PayPal Money, cryptocurrency, Skrill, and other options. You can actually get paid while you simply browse and visit those social media platforms and websites as you normally would. The second website I'll mention may seem impossible to you, but it will actually pay you money even if you do nothing. Yes, nothing. This is the same as the Google or Firefox browsers, which are both web browsers that let you browse and search the internet. Both a computer and a phone can be used for this. Simply browsing and supporting your favorite creators' content will reward you. They are kind of identical to Google Chrome, with the exception that using this kind of browser will actually earn you money. Because Google doesn't make you earn money. So which brand of phone do you currently have? Do you have an iPhone or an Android phone? Comment down below so let us know. Don't worry, this actually works with all of your devices. It's not a fraud. So go to your Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, and to the App Store if you have an iPhone. Check out this popular private browser called Brave. B-R-A-V-E, Brave, which has received positive reviews from users and is expanding quickly. So you can simply conduct a regular search on this website to find what you want to find and you will be paid. So you can continue and click the download button if you want to download them. Now that you can start downloading, on the third website, you can actually earn money online without doing any additional work by using social media and internet browsing. This is known as QMe, and that's with a Q. So by simply conducting daily online searches, you will be paid and earn real money within 24 hours as opposed to points. So they actually pay you money when you browse Google on sites like Amazon, Bing, Walmart, Target, and eBay. Both the Google Play Store and the App Store offer them. By sharing your thoughts and engaging with your favorite brands, you can earn real cash rewards with QMe, a free browser and mobile application. In addition to performing searches, you can actually complete their surveys, which generally pay much more than those on other websites and pay quite a bit of money. As you can see, if you have some spare time, you can click on the surveys and complete a task on your phone. Earnings are limited to $2. After you download QMe and log in every 3 days, they will present you with a survey for a much higher paying job that you can complete. If you log in during the first 3 days, they pay much more. So all you have to do is use Google as you normally would if you don't want to take the surveys and simply want to monetize completely automatically. So you can find the bar directly there on the left when using any browser to conduct an online search. So the QMe extension will then perform a unique action. So every time you click on this link, which will be displayed there on the left of your browser, you will be able to earn money. Isn't that amazing? So you can do this as often as you like. There is no restriction. And they will all add up very quickly. If you have some free time, all you need to do is pull out your phone or computer and start searching. And click on the site's link to repeatedly earn money. It is that easy, cost-free, and accessible everywhere. So what I mean by accessible, you must be accessible in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia in order to create an account on QMe. It will be fantastic if you are coming from one of these nations because you can register by simply entering your email address. You can sign up for free even if you live outside of these 4 nations if you just keep watching. So you can use Windscribe. So it's a free VPN service that you can download to your computer or mobile device without cost. Yes, it's free. So once you've downloaded the software for free on your computer or mobile device, you can choose the nation you want, like the United States. Before returning to this page and signing up, actually you can get around and circumvent their restriction. Windscribe actually offers a free membership option as well as a paid membership, and they can unlock your restricted content. You can actually access nations like the US, Canada, UK, Hong Kong, France, and many more by simply continuing to use the free services. Once you've done that, you can choose the United States and return to those websites to begin creating a free global account. Basically, you can apply this strategy to a wide range of websites that make money. You can generate a sizable income from a variety of websites and create numerous streams of income essentially from anywhere in the world. So, now that you know all of this information, are you ready to download these apps I told you about? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!